welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, fashion and lifestyle. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Sweden. I'm a mom of two beautiful girls and we are all natural. So if you're interested, subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell as well so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. For my oldie but goodies, thank you for always coming back. And for today's video, I'll be telling you guys what's in my bottle of oil that I use on my scalp every day. So if you're interested, why not stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the video proper. Amla oil is my base. This is because amla oil strengthens your hair really well. It's written in the pack, helps to keep your hair long. It makes your hair to grow longer, strong and dark. Those are the three things amla does to my natural hair. You guys know, before I colored my hair was really dark. Some of you were asking me if I did color my hair super black. No, my natural hair color is color 1B before I went to this color. So yeah, so I used it as my base because I need strength on my hair, especially now that it's colored. And I went with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'll always put this in my hair growth mixture oil because when I did Google research on this, a very important part of function for extra virgin olive oil is the fact that it helps with dandruff. It leaves your hair shiny and silk. So I always use this. I added this. I didn't do any mixture. I just used what will go in my applicator bottle. So don't ask me how many spoons or what measurements. I just went with the flow. And next I went in with my castor oil. This is black Jamaican castor oil. We have it in different containers. I have this other one right here. This is the mango and lime Jamaican castor oil. So whichever one you lay your hands on, you can use it. So I went in with a good amount of this castor oil into the mixture as well. And next I went in with some essential oils. It is very good to make sure your mixture of oils have a couple of essential oils because they help in your scalp and growth as well. So I went in with lavender oil, just a few drops. This one you don't put much because it's essential oil. It is not good to apply directly without mixing it. It is written in the pack here that you don't apply it directly. You have to mix it with other oils to dilute it. So I went in with a few drops or a very little quantity of lavender oil. And I just found out where I left my peppermint oil. This is what I didn't put, so I'm going to put it now. Last but not the least, I'm going to go in with my peppermint oil. I love when my hair growth oil has a little bit of peppermint oil in it because it makes your scalp feels very cool, as if there's ice water in it. You understand, peppermint, it's like peppering your scalp. If you know what I mean. I'm joking guys, but it gives you that cold sensation and the smell of it. Oh, it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to go in with a few drops. You can go ahead. You must not use the same oils that I just mentioned right now. Depending on what you are facing, what condition your hair is, you can choose to add or use other essential oils or make your base to be something you really truly love that works well for you. So yeah, I feel like I need to go more on strengthening my hair so it will prevent breakage, because I professionally had a trim, and what I want to do is just try to grow my hair. And your hair can only grow if you can retain majority of what you had before, which are the oldest part of your hair. So yeah guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts. What's in your own hair growth oil or applicator bottle? Have you ever thought of mixing your oils? If not, try it. If you have it, what's in your hair growth oil? Just comment down below. You can list it and tell me why you are using what you are using right now. And I love you guys for watching. Ciao.